How to make flowers and chocolate bouquet? Very easy and simple tutorial. You can make your own bouquet at home. First, you need to stick skewers into chocolate bar by using clear tape just like this. And then stick into dry floral foam, or you can use styrofoam. You can adjust the chocolate and snack position as you want. Then, arrange chocolate bouquet with flowers. You can use real flowers or artificial flowers. In here, I'm using pepper rose flowers. If you are interested making these rose pepper flowers, check link tutorial in description below. And after you satisfy with flowers position, secure with clear tape just like this. Next, I will show you how to wrap this bouquet using cellophane paper. This wrapping paper has silk texture. It creates fancy, expensive looks to your bouquet. I'm folding cellophane paper like this and then stick clear tape to maintain the shape. After that, I put the chocolate bouquet on top of it to measure the size that I want, and then cut the under part. I'm using this part to creating fun shape. And use this to cover the center of bouquet. Then I'm wrapping and cover all of bouquet just like this. And then using the left wrapping paper to cover the bottom of bouquet. Lastly, put red ribbon on your bouquet. I'm using 6 cm white ribbon. Will create more fancy looks to this DIY snack bouquet. and your bouquet is done. Very easy and simple chocolate bouquet with paper flower. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next tutorial.